An honest enemy is better than a fake friend who lies. You will see others' true color when you are no longer beneficial to their life. Fake people are like clouds when they disappear, the day is much brighter. It's not about who is real to your face, it's about who stays real behind your back. My fake plants died because I did not pretend to water them. Without fake friends, you never know who the real ones are. When people are two-faced, the only thing you will know for sure is that you can't trust either of them. It's all about being in the right mindset. We mature with the damage, not with the years. I walk slowly, but I never walk backward. People with great passion can make the impossible happen. The pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. Sadly, the only way some people will learn to appreciate you is by losing you. You know what? The fake people are close to your face, are very close to you at your face, but at the back they tries to weaken you. They tries to weak you. Your enemies are not aware of your all effects, but your friends which is close to you, he or she, they are all aware of your all effects very personally. Even your all facts that you share to them. That is why it is really sad that a true and honest friend is a blessing for you if you have such a friend who is strength for you, who is courage for you, who said that you should move on. You should don't look backward. So have such friends, have honest, being honest with friends and be happy. Don't be negative, always be positive. These words are not for that you should be negative. You should be positive in every time. Yes, but you should be aware of that people. You should have such honest friends who is your own reflection, who is thinkingly, religiously like you. It is not essentially that he is same as you, he is same like you. But yes, but honesty is the first and respect is the first policy of the friendship. So keep happy, keep watching. Thank you.